Oh my god. Hold up, flushed face. What am I even looking at right now? Bro, that's not a car. That's a whole snow creature parked inside. Face with tears of joy. Like seriously, did this car fight a blizzard and lose? Man. I don't even think this car remembers what clean looks like. Even the headlights gave up, they like, nah bro, I'm done, loudly crying face. Alright, today's mission is simple. We're gonna bring this thing back to life fire. Let's start with the phone. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my flushed face screaming in fear. Look at that. Bro, that's not soap. That's straight up whipped cream for cars, face with tears of joy. This is illegal levels of satisfying. I swear I could watch this all day, relieved face. Look how thick that foam is. This car is getting the VIP treatment today. Imagine driving like this down the street. People would be calling the police like. Yeah, there's a snow monster on the road, face with tears of joy. Even the car is probably like. Thank you bro, finally, loudly crying face. Alright, moment of truth. Let's rinse it off. Wait. Flushed face. No way. This is the same car? Bro. Ain't no way. That transformation is insane fire. From a dirty snow beast to a clean shining machine sparkles. Now that's what I'm talking about. Look at that shine, perfect, relieved face. If this didn't satisfy you, I don't know what will. Hit that like button, thumbs up. Follow for more crazy transformations. And trust me, next one is gonna be even crazier, smiling face with horns fire. Fear. Look at that foam. That's not soap. That's shaving cream for cars, bro, face with tears of joy. This is what I call a proper snow bath. Man, this is actually kinda satisfying. I could watch this all day, not gonna lie, relieved face. Imagine pulling up like this. People be like, yo bro, you good, face with tears of joy. Even the car is probably like. Please, just wash me already, loudly crying face. Alright, enough talking. Let's rinse this thing. Wait. Flushed face. Is this even the same car? No way bro. From snow monster to clean beast fire. That transformation is crazy. Look at that shine. Now that's how a car is supposed to look, relieved face. If this didn't satisfy you, I don't know what will. Drop a like, thumbs up. Follow for more crazy transformations. And next time, we clean something even worse, smiling face with horns.